Hello and welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're embarking on a truly fascinating journey, really exploring the very fabric of our existence. You look around and you see so many different things, don't you? Trees, buildings, that hot cup of chai in your hand, perhaps. But what is it really all made of, at its core?
Absolutely. And our mission today really is to unpack the fundamental building blocks of everything you encounter, from the air you breathe to the food you eat, and importantly, how these essential components behave. It's truly a shortcut, I'd say, to understanding the physical world around us, and a chance to truly grasp some of those everyday mysteries.
Fantastic. And for you, our listener, you might be wondering why the aroma of your hot food seems to travel faster than cold food, maybe, or how a spongy dosa can be squeezed so easily while, a rock is so incredibly rigid. We promise by the end of this deep dive, you'll have some truly aha moments about these everyday wonders, really connecting the dots between the invisible and the observable. Okay, let's unpack this. I. What exactly I matter, the basics of our universe? So, to begin our deep dive, let's start with the absolute basics. When scientists talk about matter, what exactly are they referring to? What does something need to be to be considered matter?
That's an excellent starting point, really, because it frames our entire discussion. In the simplest, most fundamental terms, matter is anything in this universe that is made up of material, which fundamentally occupies space and has mass. It's the stuff, you see, everything is composed of.
The stuff everything is composed of. Okay, that sounds incredibly broad. So, when you say everything, can you give us some truly diverse examples from our surroundings? Things that fit this core definition? Maybe things we might not immediately think of as matter, but actually are?
Certainly. And when I say everything, I truly mean it. Think about the incredible diversity of the air we breathe, for instance.
Right, air. Feels like nothing.
Exactly. Feels like nothing, but it definitely takes up space. Then there's the food we eat, the solid, immovable stones you see outside, fluffy clouds floating high above, distant, massive stars, all living plants and animals, even a tiny drop of water or a single minute particle of sand. Every single one of these you see is matter.
Wow, it's quite a range. So, what's the common thread among all these incredibly diverse examples then? What are the two defining properties that unite them all under this umbrella of matter?
The common thread, the unifying characteristic among all these things, is that they occupy space and possess mass.
Yeah.
In other words, they have both mass and volume. Without these two properties, something isn't considered matter in the scientific sense.
Okay, mass and volume. Got it.